The installation of the new Tui Vuda will be conducted on Friday, just the day after the funeral of Ratu Josefa Iloilo. Ratu Tevita Momo Indonu says Ratu Josefa Iloilo's successor will be appointed by the Nakelo clan or the Kingmakers. Following tomorrow's state funeral, the Kingmakers will meet at the village church to finalize and bless the name of their next chief. The installation of the new chief will begin at 10 a.m. on Friday.
The installation of the new Tui Vuda will be done at 10 o'clock the following day on Friday, the 18th, in the Delnyabun Nakelo. That's where the installation is normally done. Yes.
The elders have already decided all the things have been done?
I don't want to preempt the decision of the Kingmakers. The Kingmakers is this clan called Nakelo. That is their sole responsibility. They will decide the name of the successor in the church. And the only person who can be amongst them in their decision making is the Taltalagas. No one else. So when they nominate who's going to be the next Tui Vuda, that name will be blessed there and then in the church. And then they will advise the members of the Chifley clan of who is going to be the following next Tui Vuda.